Yama, good evening, one and all. Welcome to RT classes CA and CMA Guru. And promised in my previous video, I just want to show you the previous examination paper as well as. But I want to go with the two examination papers. Then you come to know the reality. Yes, we can handle financial accounting paper comfortably. First, I'm going with December 2023 term examinations. And already I told you regarding the part of first question was a compulsory question and 15 MCQs they are asking, and each question will carry 2 marks itself. That is what they are indicating. You are required to answer all the question. Each question is followed by 4 answer choices. Only one is correct. You are required to select the choice which according to you represent the correct answer. They are not asking you how you got your answer. Just you need to tick the correct answer. That is more than enough, Nana. And if you check with the MCQs also, all are fundamentals point of view. This is capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. And second was interest part, receipt of 21,500 interest. Regarding payment was 12,500 for interest. The profit would show how much. That is what they are asking. And this is regarding bills of exchange point of view MCQ. Joint venture, I told you they may not focus on any question from joint venture, but MCQ wise they can focus from joint venture. And next check with sir final accounts part, and next sir NPO point of view, and next sir that is also final accounts point of view. Even this is from department also, you can check with commissions point of view. Yeah, advances part. MCQs if you check sir, all are easy MCQs only. Salaries, how much amount you can show in NPO point of view, and what is the gross profit from final account, so which is the nature of revenue nature, hire purchase point of view 1 MCQ, accounting standard point of view 1 MCQ, as well as sir, see sir this goods invoice how much, branch point of view. Sir, that's what I said. They can check with MCQ as each and every chapter there is a chance, but they are not twisting that much regarding MCQ's point of view, student level itself. So my expectation, at least 20 marks you can score comfortably. If you have a minimum idea on all the chapters point of view, then you can comfortably handle your MCQs nicely. And you can check with sir. And so in my previous video I said just focus on depreciation as well as rectification of errors, and add one more point sir, that is bank reconciliation statement. I think so majority of the students are enjoying to solve this particular problem. So even in your foundation level also you go through with so many questions regarding bank reconciliation statement. That's the reason I added to our content from fundamental accounting point of view, or accounting fundamentals, depreciation chapter, as well as rectification of errors chapter, as well as BRS also add. And there is a chance to ask one more question, adjusted trial balance. They will give you some information, and accordingly you need to do adjustment with your trial balance. You are supposed to do that part. That is they are asking from here. So that's the reason I told you fundamental accounting they are concentrating 14 marks minimum in problematic. You can expect 1 or 2 MCQs from MCQ level from the fundamental. That's why the weightage is 20 marks now. The first chapter, the first module. We can't say first chapter, we can say first module. From bank reconciliation statement, adjusted trial balances, depreciation and rectification of errors. Among these, this attempt they are asking these 2 questions. If you check with the next attempt, means the recent term examination, you can check sir. They are asking from depreciation as well as rectification of errors. I will show you that question paper as well as for the first part. So see sir, if you check with the things. So MCQs I told you 2 into 15 30 marks. This is the fundamental. This is also from fundamental. This is also fundamental. Choose the correct answer. This is also from fundamental only. and this is the part, calculate the sales part. And if you check with the BRS also, they are focusing here as well as, and depreciation question. Even if you check with bills of exchange, if you check with sir bills of exchange, almost on every attempt they are touching, even in MCQ's point of view also. Choose the odd one. And operating lease, I told you lease accounting is important, and you can expect 5 marks theory, or if they want to go with 7 marks also, they can focus on lease accounting part. So which of the part is true? And the partnership one MCQ, here it is from departmental. Sir, even check with the department, one MCQ they are concentrating. NPO, this is also fundamental. Sir, if you check with this attempt point of view, recent examination, fundamental accounting, they focused more on MCQs as well as. That's the reason in my previous video I communicated you, sir, don't ignore fundamental accounting. Don't ignore fundamental accounting, because MCQ is important as well as 2 compulsory questions they are asking. You can comfortably score 14 marks from that range without any much efforts. Yes sir, check with here, I told you. This is the part they are focusing on, depreciation chapter. For how many marks given Nana? 7 marks, that's what I said. So here sir, this is about rectification of errors and suspense account to 7 marks. The previous paper was regarding 7 marks from, yes sir, 7 marks from where? Here from depreciation and suspense account, they are focusing on what? One part is from where they are asking adjusted trial balance. Second ones are BRS. If you check with this for 14 marks minimum, 14 marks minimum, 14 marks minimum friends. Let's focus on these 4 areas. Let's get 14 marks as well as MCQs also they are concentrating well. Okay sir, next check with the second question. See sir, this is the part regarding your bills of exchange. This is regarding sir lease accounting. That's what sir I said. Either theory wise they can focus on lease accounting or one question from lease accounting itself. So 7 marks, second question also 14. This is 2023 attempt. See here sir, second question, here they are focusing on consignment. The previous attempt bills of exchange. Now they are focusing on consignment part. Next sir, here see what is the focusing area they are going with? Hire purchase. Already in my previous video I communicated hire purchases point of view, you can expect 7 marks range itself. Bills of exchange are consignment, one question compulsory I said. That is what you can check with previous exam 2023 December attempt went for bills of exchange, and recent examination they went for consignment point of view. As well as you can see one MCQ as well as. Okay sir. Next sir. So I told you single entry part compulsory 14 marks question. Check with sir 14 marks here. So this is 23 December as well as you can check with. This is also single entry. How many marks they are focusing sir? 14 marks regarding that. That's the reason let's focus even on single entry also, because 14 marks compulsory question. That's the 4th question you are seeing. Next sir, see the 5th question part. Partnership sir, this is a compulsory question. Already I told you, you can expect 14 to 17 marks from the partnership. Here they given for 14 marks. You have anyway choice sir. You are having 7 questions with you. Among those 7 questions you are supposed to write only 5 questions. That's the reason if you left with this choice also, there is not that much impact. Still you can score exemptions in related to that. So here also 5th question partnership. Here you can check sir, here also 5th question partnership. 4th question was single entry and 5th question was partnership itself. Okay sir, let's see the 6th one. This is the part they are setting in related to branch. I told you Nana, branch point of view you can expect 7 marks question. See sir, how much the weightage? 7 marks only. Next sir, I told you insurance claims you can check with 7 marks. See sir, insurance claims 7 marks. So branchy insurance, this is the part we are focusing for 7 marks. Hire purchase, branchy and insurance claims. 7 marks each itself. Let's check with the sixth question in related to December attempt, sir. See, sir, this is the what? Branch point of view. 7 marks na compulsory, I told you. That is the reason. Focus what I said and give the priority of order as well as. See, sir, here what? Insurance claims. So sixth question, what you can expect? One is branch. Second one was insurance claims. See, sir, whatever the weightage I mentioned, almost all you can see the same order, same priority, 7 marks point of view regarding those. Let's see the seventh question, sir. You can check with. This is fully dedicated to your accounting standard part. And my sincere advice, focus on accounting standards also. They may not help you even in CMA Inter or even in CMA final also, they will help you a lot. That's the reason. Even marks weightage, 14 marks also, sometimes you can expect one theory question from 8th question point of view also from your accounting standards only. That is the reason focus on your accounting standards also. Very much interesting content, sir. So don't by heart the standards, go with the conceptual clarity. So seventh question belongs to accounting standards. Let's check with here also seventh question. See, sir, 7th A, 7th B, both are going with accounting standards. That's what I said. Accounting standards 7th question was, they are focusing if you check with the recent examinations. Let's see the last question, sir. That's what I said. This is also an accounting standard question. This is from your final accounts question. This is once again from partnership. That's the reason I said partnership 14 to 18 marks you can expect. They given weightage 20 marks in the study material, sir. Plus or minus 2 marks you can expect in the examination. So 8th question, one is theory from accounting standards and another one was final accounts part. They are focusing on bad debts and provision for bad debts part. That's the reason. That's the reason you check with 20 marks weightage for your which chapter, sir? Final accounts as well as NPO as well as your single entry, that is from incomplete record. This is the part they are focusing for 14 marks. These two from 8th question are in MCQs. You will see major from final accounts and NPO itself. Let's see our recent examination as well as 8th question what they are focusing, sir. See, sir, this is the part they are focusing regarding partnership once again for 4 marks. 14 marks one question, 4 marks one question. See, sir, for theory part already I told you 8th question one theory compulsory question you are going to see. So next finally this is also methods. This is also regarding your methods of selection for regarding accounting policies. Both 5 plus 5 both they are asking from fundamental accounting only. That's why just follow my orders, sir. You can trust RT 100% regarding CMA level, whatever the subjects I am going to discuss and whatever the videos I am sharing with regarding important questions or weightage. Maximum, I can't assure you 100% because as an auditor, if you read your auditing also, as an auditor we never give absolute assurance, we can give only reasonable assurance. But regarding weightage and important concepts and these aspects, RT said means almost all you are going to reach that particular level itself. So what I promised you, I showed you even in the recent examination, the last 2 attempts if you check with also, they are following our weightage, our order as well as. Okay, sir. Thank you from RT sir.